Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening a modern browser and navigating to YouTube.com. Sign in with your Google account so subscriptions, watch history, and recommendations sync. Once signed in, make quick interface choices like dark theme and playback quality to save bandwidth or sharpen detail. Make sure to pin the tab or create a bookmark for fast return. This first setup gets your account and viewing preferences ready. Now you can confidently search, subscribe, and manage notifications without interrupting playback. Next, learn how to find and organize content efficiently. Type focused keywords and apply filters like upload date or duration to narrow results. Click a video to play, use arrow keys for seek and K for pause. These shortcuts speed navigation. Subscribe to channels you like and hit the bell to choose notification frequency. When you find useful videos, add them to a playlist, set privacy, and reorder items for a watch later queue. Once done, your library becomes a curated, easy-to-access resource. Finally, upload and personalize. Click Create, then Upload Video, fill metadata, choose Visibility, and Publish. Visit settings to tweak playback, privacy controls, connected apps, and keyboard shortcuts so YouTube behaves how you prefer. If playback or upload fails, first clear the browser cache and reload. If that fails, try an incognito window or update the browser. Make sure extensions aren't blocking scripts, disable them briefly. These final steps finalize your experience and give one reliable troubleshooting path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.